Be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos.